This is a remote kill switch. You have a parasite drawer and your battery drains each and every day. You're going to want to get this. The instructions. I'm going to go over the instructions and show you how simple it is to do. You're going to need a crescent wrench, a ratchet, 10 millimeter, 13 millimeter socket for my car. I'm going to use insulation tape and a scissors. You get 2 remote controls. They automatically go on and off. The control board, I'll go over this in a second. The terminal that you would put the actual piece on. 2 sets of buses and 2 sets of connectors. The negative lead you're going to place over like so. And you're going to put a bolt and the washer head on. The bus bar, you're going to use one only. They give you 2 sets. And you're going to line up and attach the one that works for you. You're going to take off the nut that's on the negative side, upside down on the sticker, right hand side. You're going to slide on the bus and put the nut on. You're going to take the nut off the other side. You're going to put the terminal head on and tighten this down when you're at the car. You're at the car, and what you're going to do is find the best angle where this unit will go. I taped up my lead, and I'm going to slide this over my negative terminal. So we have the nut, the bus bar, the unit, and the nipple, and the wire hooked up to the negative. We're going to tighten this down with the 14 millimeter tool or the crescent wrench we have. This is the positive lead. I'm going to dress this up, bring it over to the positive lead over here, to the terminal, and hook it right up to here. My last step is to bring this onto the nipple. Depending on your car, there's going to be some difficulty. This cable will short things out if it's touched. It's an inexpensive insulation. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hook it up. I'm going to connect my leads. Tighten things down. I hope I have enough room that I can close my hood. And I do. If my car is lit, I would see lights coming on. There is an on and off switch. Off. On. There we go. Off. On. You heard the click. On means it's engaged. So, no more going in my hood, start my car up, and off I go. The one thing they don't want you to do is hit the off. As I hit the off, nothing's going to happen. Unless I shut my car off. My car is off. If I want to try to start it now, it won't start because I hit the off button. To start my car back up, I hit the on button, 1,000, 1,000. I'm ready to start. It's that simple. The remote kill switch, all you gotta do is remember, press it off, and we're good to go. I hope you can make a decision. Kill your parasite drawer with a kill switch. Have a great day.